When you want to play Subway Surfers on your Android phone, you have to download and install that app by using your Google Play Store. I'm going to show it to you how you can download and install Subway Surfers on your Android phone. Go to your Google Play Store and go to search bar, and there you just type Subway Surfers. Just after typing the Subway Surfers, get into the app. It will show you to install this app. Subway Surfers is a free app where you can install it and straight away play that game. After installing, I'm going to show it to you how I can do the next steps. So let's see, and based on the your internet speed, it will be downloaded on your mobile phone. Based on your internet speed, this 120 MB Subway Surfers app will take hardly seconds time to get installed on your mobile. After this, this will throw you to open the app. Let's see, this installing process is happening, and after that, we'll get open here. Yes, I can now play straight away by going to this play option. Just tap on this one. That's all. Your Subway Surfers is already installed, and I can play straight away. This initialization process is happening, and you have to give your age here. If you are under 18, you can mention your age is under 18, or you can even give your age by just scrolling down this one. If you are belonging to 18 years age, you can give like this and go to OK, and thereafter it will show you how we handle your data. Yes, this will be the privacy of this data, where it will throw you, and then just OK it. Do you want to improve your ad experience? Yes, I don't want any ads on this one. I can click no thanks, or otherwise I can continue. No thanks, I have just made no thanks, and now the 52%, 66%, like this, it will go to 100%, and straight away you can play the game now. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such content in the future too.